happy to know that men and women are equal in one respect, our proneness to OCD. My fellow Toastmasters, distinguished Wes and Pratima in particular. Yes, it was a remarkable speech, and I'm sure we've all felt more enlightened, become more aware, and also sort of positive that even if we have it, we can overcome it. Now, how did Pratima make her impact on us? By CSD. The content, the structure, and delivery. Now let's look at her speech in terms of content. Yes, this was a research project, and what was good is she didn't have an overload of facts. Statistics were brought in very nicely at the right point. She gave us examples of celebrities like David Beckham and Timberlake and actress. And she also sort of gave tips, which is very useful. So in terms of structure, very well structured, what OCD is, what causes it, what is the treatment, and self-help tips. Maybe in terms of structure, I have one small suggestion. Instead of opening with that, the statement saying that don't learn how to control your thoughts, but control the thoughts. I would have preferred a specific example, either of, like David Beckham, or that lady who kept switching off everything and just before going out. And then, start from the known and bring people to the unknown. Connected. How many of us suffer with this sort of a disorder, right? And then, gone on to the structure was perfect. And then in terms of delivery, yes, you had a lot of enthusiasm, you had that smile, you have improved tremendously in terms of voice, maybe a little louder, and in terms of pace of speaking, bring in a little, because this is a factual thing, so we need time to absorb it. But on the whole, a very well-researched speech, delivered well, structured well, and you did make an impact on all of us. Keep it up. Looking forward to your Project 8. It's back to you.